Hey guys, I just wanted to show you something crazy that we did for our client. You check this out over here. We are currently spending $100 a day. Uh, Numbers don't lie, guys. We got 2,000 leads over here on the first campaign over here, 704 leads on this campaign, and over here we have 369 leads. Guys, that's around 3,000 different leads in just the lifespan of January through April. So that's about January, February, March, April. That's about 4 months here. As you can see, we're using multiple different audiences here. We're testing out everything. We test out everything so you guys don't have to use multiple different ads as well too, guys. This stuff is real, obviously. You can see it. This stuff is real. We're getting these leads pretty darn cheap as well. So let's check this out. Let me scroll over here. Look at this, guys. Imagine being able to put around $5 into this machine and getting out this lead, this guy that wants to utilize your services, guys. Imagine putting in $5 into this machine and you have a person that wants to utilize your service. How could you not want to try this out, guys? I promise you, this will revolutionize your business. Just click down below and check this out. We want to give you all of this for you in this 2-week challenge. We want to give you the funnels. We want to give you the audiences. We want to give you the ads as well, so that you have the best opportunity to get these results for your business, guys. Make sure you click down below. Make sure you try this out, because this is no lie. Numbers do not lie. This is the truth, guys. Make sure you click down below. Check it out so I can set up your business for success. I want you to be my next testimonial, okay? Thank you, guys, and I'll talk to you later.